Good morning. Today start a chemical reaction of alcohol. Chemical reaction of alcohol. Look here, a first chemical reaction. Look here, simple. The reaction involving breaking of OH bond. Look here. In case of alcohol, ROH means COH. Look here, a same compounds here. The cleavage of OH bond, and second type the cleavage of CO bond in case of alcohol. Look here, a first reaction involving the breaking of OH bond. The first reaction with active metals. First reaction with active metals. Active metals is sodium metal or potassium metal. 1 minute. Reaction with active metals. Active metals, sodium or potassium. Look here, when alcohol is reacted with sodium metal, twice. Look here, in this reaction, the cleavage of OH bond, product here, the twice RONA plus evaluation of H2 gas. Name of the compound sodium alkoxide. Look here, repeat. When alcohol is reacted with sodium metal, means active metal, it gives the corresponding a sodium alkoxide. Look here, all of you. A sodium alkoxide is a derivative of alcohol. Sodium alkoxide is a derivative of alcohol. In this reaction, evaluation of hydrogen, this reaction indicates that alcohol is weak acidic in nature. Why? Evaluation of H2 gas. Example, a next example in this reaction. First example, when methyl alcohol, CH3OH, methyl alcohol. When methyl alcohol is reacted with sodium metal, it gives CH3ONA, sodium methoxide. Correct? Yes. Okay, this is the raw material. Sodium alkoxide is the raw material of Williamson synthesis. Okay? Yes. But in this reaction, when methyl alcohol is reacted with a sodium metal, it gives sodium methoxide. Only change the value of R means CH3. The next example, twice CH3CH2. What is the name of this compound? Ethyl alcohol is reacted with a sodium metal, it gives sodium ethoxide. CH3CH2, sodium ethoxide. Correct? Look here, in this reaction, simply look here, the ROH. In general, the breaking of OH bond the order of reactivity of alcohol is 1 degree greater than 2 degree greater than 3 degree. And the breaking of a CO bond order 3 degree greater than 2 degree greater than 1 degree. आपल्याला आयडिया येते आहे, आयडिया यायला पाहिजे. ज्या वेळेस अल्कोहोल मध्ये ब्रेकिंग जनरली म्हणतोय, ब्रेकिंग ज्या वेळेस OH ची होतीये त्यावेळेस अल्कोहोलची रिॲक्टिव्हिटीची ऑर्डर जी असते 1 डिग्री ग्रेटर दॅन 2 डिग्री ग्रेटर दॅन 3 डिग्री. ज्या वेळेस ब्रेकिंग ही CO मध्ये असते त्यावेळेस जनरली जी ऑर्डर आपल्याला ऑब्झर्व होती ती जी ऑर्डर असते 3 डिग्री ग्रेटर दॅन 2 डिग्री ग्रेटर दॅन 1 डिग्री. Look here, only one reaction indicate that alcohol is acidic in nature. Why? A evaluation of H2 gas. Evaluation of H2 gas. What is this? A reaction with active metal, a reaction with sodium or reaction with the potassium. Look here, a next reaction, a reaction with the potassium metal. Simple, phenethyl alcohol CH3 CH2OH. Ethyl alcohol is reacted with the potassium metal. Potassium. Look here, it gives a twice CH3 CH2O. In this reaction, a cleavage of OH bond, formation of K with evaluation of H2 gas. What is this? Name of the compound potassium ethoxide. Potassium ethoxide. Okay? What is this? A reaction involving breaking of OH bond. A first reaction with the metal. One type is the reaction with the sodium metal, and second type reaction with a potassium metal. Correct? A simple reaction. Reaction, everybody first. In this reaction, alcohol is acidic in nature. Why? With evaluation of H2 gas. Actually, alcohol is a neutral in nature. But this reaction indicates that due to a evaluation of H2 gas. Look at second point. Everybody, in this reaction, order of reactivity of alcohol is a 1 degree greater than 2 degree greater than, next is the 3 degree. 1 degree greater than 2 degree greater than 3 degree means primary alcohol a greater than a secondary alcohol greater than tertiary alcohol. Next point is second reaction with B. Reaction. Here cleavage of OH bond. OH bond. Look here, B. Reaction with acids. Reaction with acids. Reaction with acids. What is this? This is esterification reaction. Esterification reaction. Esterification reaction. Look here, this reaction is a Fischer esterification reaction and Spire esterification reactions. First, a Fischer esterification by using the concentrated H2SO4. In this reaction, pen alcohol or carboxylic acid, the reaction with वेगळा फॉर्म मध्ये लिहितोय HO, next is the R. Correct? Okay. Look here, concentrated H2SO4. Concentrated H2SO4 at 413 Kelvin temperature. Look here, fen carboxylic acid. Fen carboxylic acid is reacted with an alcohol in presence of concentrated H2SO4 at 413 Kelvin temperature. It gives RCOOR dash. Look here, in this reaction, the breaking of the H2O removed from OH from carboxylic acid and hydrogen from alcohol. Remove the water molecule. What is the name of this compound? Ester. Name of the compound? Ester. You know, but look here, explain the Fischer-Esterbation reaction answer. When carboxylic acid is reacted with an alcohol in presence of concentrated H2SO4 at 413 Kelvin temperature, it gives corresponding ester. This reaction is called as Fischer-Esterification reaction. Look here, in this reaction, a concentrated H2SO4 acts as dehydrating agent as well as catalyst. Dehydrating agent as well as catalyst. Okay, repeat. When carboxylic acid is reacted with an alcohol in presence of a concentrated H2SO4 at 413 Kelvin, it gives corresponding ester. Corresponding ester. Okay, this is the general reaction. This is the name of the reaction, Fischer-Esterification reaction. Fischer-Esterification reaction. Okay. Look here, a specific reaction. Only change the value of R. Only change the value of R. Only change. Okay. Look here. What is the name of this compound? Acetic acid. Acetic acid. Change value CS3. Here CS3, name of the compound. A name of the compound methyl alcohol. Name of the compound methyl alcohol. Okay. Look here, phenacetic acid. Phenacetic acid is reacted with methyl alcohol in presence of concentrated H2SO4 at a 413 Kelvin temperature. It gives CS3. Name of the compound, all of you. Name of the compound methyl acetate. Methyl acetate. IUPAC names of the compound methyl ethanoate. Methyl ethanoate. Correct? Repeat the reaction. Phenacetic acid is reacted with methyl alcohol in presence of a concentrated H2SO4 at 413 Kelvin temperature. It gives methyl acetate. Look here, remove the water, OH group from the carboxylic acid and the hydrogen atom from alcohol. Correct? Look here, a next reaction, ethyl alcohol. 1 minute simple. Look here, when acetic acid is reacted with ethyl alcohol. Reacted with ethyl alcohol, CS3, CS2, OH. Ethyl alcohol. In presence of concentrated H2SO4 at a 413 Kelvin temperature, it gives ethyl acetate. It gives ethyl acetate, means CS3. The form of this, oxygen. Next is CH2, CH3. Ethyl acetate. Ethyl acetate. Look here, reaction repeat. Phenacetic acid is reacted with ethyl alcohol in presence of concentrated H2SO4 at 413 Kelvin. It gives ethyl acetate. IUPAC names of the compound ethyl ethanoate. Look here, this reaction is called as a Fischer-Esterification reaction. This reaction is called as Fischer-Esterification reaction. But in this reaction by using HCl, this reaction is called as a Fischer-Speyer reaction. Speyer, S-P-I-E-R. What is this? Fischer-Speyer, S-P-E-I-E-R. Speyer reaction. Okay, instead of HCl, instead of H2SO4. Look here, in this reaction, a reaction involving OH bond means reaction with the acid, means esterification reaction. In this reaction is nucleophilic substitution reaction. Reaction is nucleophilic, a substitution reaction. Second point, in this reaction, a order of reactivity of alcohol, 1 degree, a greater than, a 2 degree, greater than 3 degree, correct? Yes. In this reaction, order of reactivity of the carboxylic acid, a formic acid, a greater than acetic acid, greater than propionic acid. Repeat, a formic acid, greater than acetic acid, greater than propionic acid. Look here, in this reaction, a concentrated H2SO4 acts as a catalyst as well as dehydrating agent. Catalyst and as well as dehydrating agent. Next, in this reaction, a remove of the water. Look here, OH group from the acetic acid, and hydrogen atom from the alcohol. Isotopic tracer technique. Note that or indicate that the remove the hydrogen atom from the alcohol and remove the OH group from the carboxylic acid. What is this? This is the esterification reaction. Look here, reaction involving breaking of OH bond. First reaction with a active metal, means reaction with a sodium metal, and second, a reaction with the potassium metal. Look here, second, a reaction with acid means esterification reaction. Look here, by using concentrated H2SO4, this is the Fischer esterification reaction. And by using the HCl, this reaction is a Speyer esterification reaction. Okay, Speyer esterification reaction. You know, JW need point first. This reaction is nucleophilic substitution reaction. Everybody, order of reactivity of alcohol, a primary alcohol greater than secondary alcohol greater than tertiary alcohol. Next, order of reactivity of the carboxylic acid, a formic acid, a greater than acetic acid, greater than propionic acid. Okay, thank you.